One of the dumbest things in the automotive world. Toyota split wafers. Just why? Alright y'all, I am flying today, but oh shoot, this came in and it needs to be rekeyed to this customer's key. This is a TR47 Toyota keyway, and it looks like a door lock. So we first pop, actually what I typically do is I will do that so that I know which way that tailpiece went back on. And we're going to take that off and pull the spring out. Lay it down, and this cap has to come off, and it is pinned down in two spots that are both kind of hard to get to. So I'm gonna get in there like that, and get in there like that. Hey, we got it. That was fairly easy. Alright, set our cap down. Sometimes you don't have to take that faceplate out. And slide it out. There we have it. That is all there is to it. We're done. No, I wish we were done. Alright, so okay, and we pull out our keying kit, and unfortunately none of these wafers are the right ones. Wait. One of them is number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cannot remember spacing and depth and all that, but we can look in our foreign book and go to Toyota. It's either the tip one or the first one that's left out, because it's an 8-cut lock, and one of the two is not in there. So we'll flip over to 10,000 series. The doors and trunk has 2 through 8, so we are missing number 1 cut. So this is would be number 1 right here. So this is 2, 3. So number 3 is still good. So what I'm going to do is carefully pull the key out, and with our lovely Toyotas, we have the split wafer situation. Now remember, Toyotas, a 3 is actually a 2. Where am I? See the little 3 on there? So that's actually a 2 wafer. 1 is 4, 2 is 3, 3 is 2, 4 is 1. So we have 4 for the split wafers, which is actually, again, a 1. And down here, we have a 4, which is another 1. Here we have a 3, which would be a 2. Down here we have split wafers, which is 3. And our last one is nice and gummy, but it is 4. So we're looking at our key. We're going to run it in here just to see, make sure that it's the last one. You never know what kind of crazy stuff these people are going to come up with. So that last cut right there. Alright, so if we get a piece of paper and a pen, we're going to look at the key, and we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3. Then 2, 2, 1, 1, and that one is very weird. That looks like a 2 or a 3. We're gonna say 3. Alright, so our split wafers on this side should be 4, which means it's not that 4 and it's not that 3, so it's actually 1. Unfortunately, all I have is an old kit with brass wafers, but it worked for decades, so it will continue to work for decades. Should update that one day. So these dang split wafers are always a pain to get in here. So I'll do those first. Remember, this is one. Number 1 wafer, which is, oops, well, I'm doing it all wrong, aren't I? Number 4. Okay, duh. Sit here and tell you something and then don't do it. 4 is actually 1. So 4. So this is what happens when you get in a hurry. I'm in a huge hurry right now. And I'm still taking the time to do this dang video. Gotta get those resting on the springs. Correctly. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's just double check it here while we're doing it. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so one, let's go ahead and do, the other ones, which would be, kind of hold it with my fingertip here. Alright, on this side, our last tip cut is a 3, which is 2. We think that last tip cut, we may have to change it. Alright, and then 1, which is 4, which is way over here, solid wafer. Yep, 4. Get in there. Alright. Next we have 2, which is 3. I've got a 3 right here that I can reuse. Now we are to our next double wafer, which was a 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey.
What's happening?
How are you? I didn't hear what he said. Okay, we are on 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th spot from the tip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a 2. So we are getting the 3 split wafers. Making sure. Yep. The split wafers are horrible. We all hate split wafers. All together now. We hate split wafers. There we go. Okay, so after that we have 3, which is 2. Do I have a 2 out here? Don't have a 2. Probably could use those 3s. So 2, 3 solid is 3 is 2. Wait, actually got a 2 right there. So, oh wait, I don't need a 2 because I've already got a 2 in there. And then 4 is 1. So do we have a 1? We have a 1. Nope, that's a 4. So 4, 3, which is 4. And this one's not marked. I'm going to take a chance on that. Well, that one's not marked. Okay, so none of the number 1s are marked. That's alright. We'll try it anyway. There we go. Alright, let's give it a shot and see how everything works. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, pull it out. You notice how I held my thumb when I pulled it out. And then I'm going to snap it on. Take the spring, remembering how it went on. It kind of, where are you? Kind of pushes right there, and then take this and wrap it around just like that. Sometimes you need to persuade it a little bit, and then make sure, this is really important, make sure this tab seats fully between the 2 legs of the springs, like that. And then we are done. Well, not quite. Hold on. That was premature. That was a premature. We're done. Oh, get on there. There we go. Okay, now push in on your cap. May have to whack it. Which I am, so I'm going to just kind of hold the screwdriver. I know it's kind of hard to see. Just going to put the tip, just the tip, and give it a good little whack there. And the other side, we'll go ahead and do that as well. Again, just the tip. Okay, it's good to go. Check it. Make sure you spring back and forth correctly. And we are all done. 35. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on next video. Have a good one. I'm out of here.